FPV flying looks incredible online, but to be honest, it's something I've never really tried. I've been flying DJI drones for many years now. I trust their stability, I trust their safety, and I trust their obstacle avoidance completely. But FPV, that's always felt like a bit of a leap, and that is why DJI Avata 2 has really caught my attention, especially right now. At the moment, Avata 2 is 15% off, which makes it the lowest price ever. The single battery Fly More combo is just $719 US, and the 3 battery combo comes in at $859, down from well over $1,000. So what's different about Avata 2? Well, this isn't hardcore racing. This is about making FPV drone flying more accessible. You fly using DJI goggles and the motion controller, and instead of complicated stick movements, you guide the drone with simple, natural hand movements. It feels properly immersive, like you're inside the drone, not just watching it on a screen. And you'll get good image quality too. It shoots 4K at 60 frames per second with HDR, has a 155-degree ultra wide angle field of view, and uses DJI's 04 video transmission system, so the live view stays smooth, responsive, and really stable. For beginners, the big confidence boost is safety. The built-in propeller guards means you can fly low, indoors, through trees, in tighter spaces, with far less risk than traditional FPV drones. But for someone like me, who trusts DJI but has never taken the leap into FPV, this price feels like a genuinely great time to jump in.